Hey you guys, I know with Valentine's coming up, there are some cute little gifts that you just want to make really quick, give them out to somebody, and I thought of a great idea. I don't know if you guys have seen these at a Dollar Tree. They are so adorable. They open up and they're a jar. And they were 125. I posted a picture as soon as I picked them up. And they're just 125. And they're little bears. I thought this would be a great gift idea to give someone. Just a real quick gift. You can obviously fill them up with chocolates. You can just put a gift card in there. I think a gift card fits, but I'm going to go ahead and check for you anyways. So let's fill some up. And then I'm going to check if a gift card fits. If it fits, just so you know where you're at and how you can fill up these cute little jars. Here is one for TJ Maxx. You just twist the top off and it does not fit. So in this case, you would do cash. I'm really good. I had to do a couple of last minute gifts. And I thought, why not use these adorable little bears from the dollar store? Now you can use whatever you want, obviously. Look how cute this is. So I'm just going to give these out to my nieces and nephews. I thought these would be great. So the boys can get the chocolates. And then for the girls, I have a couple of items. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then one more. So one with chocolates, because that's going to be for somebody little. So that's already a cute idea. The bestie, Chrissy, gave me these cute, adorable clear bags, which I can also use vinyl and write on. But I'm going to see if the bears fit in here. And they do. So how freaking cute is that? You can show up in this to a school. You can show up in that as a little cute gift. Imagine coming somewhere, you're invited, and having a couple of these little bears with chocolates for somebody. That's cute for Valentine's. So this one is going to be for a little kid. And this one's going to be for a preteen and girls, adults, girls, my nieces. So the first thing I have right here, I'm going to open this up. And these are a great size if you want to go ahead and give me some ideas of what I could put in here. I would love it. But I'm going to make these really quick. This is just like a last minute. You can even buy a couple of items from your dollar store. The first thing I picked up are these cute headbands. And these are just for Valentine's. How cute are these? They were like $1 or something. Look how cute. And I thought right away, I'm like, I know exactly what I want them for. Because this is for girls. So the boys are going to get chocolate. But I know all the girls are going to love these. And look at the little hearts on there. I mean, the little kisses. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to add one to each of these. And just random. They're for my nieces. I'm not going to like choose who's going to get something. This one's cute. And then I'm missing one, which is still okay because look how cute the hearts look on the pink one. I mean the kisses. I keep saying hearts. And then that one's missing one. It's okay because I'm going to add myself. Okay. So these two are little makeup sponges, and these I'm going to add to the older ones. So the older ones are going to get the little makeup sponges. And that's that one. And then these two should be the preteens, and this will be the older one. Okay. I have little hair clips. I thought these were so cute. So I'm going to open these up, and I'm going to give everybody a couple of the hair clips. I think these are cute, but we're going to go random on this. This one that I got are little hearts, so I really like this one for the Valentine's theme. Look how cute they are. Oh my god, aren't these adorable? And you know what? I'm going to give this one to the teenager one, because I think for the little kids, the white one would be better. Or a pink one. And she's little. And the kids are bigger. Okay? I'm going to do that one. We're going to do the pink one with the pink one. And then I have these as well. I couldn't get my hands on more hearts, so I'm going to do this. It's getting filled up already. So I'm going to do the pinks with the pinks. These will be random. Okay. Now also for the teenagers, I picked up two lipsticks, and I want to show you the shade real quick. Okay, that's like a brown nude. And then this one is like a burgundy. So we're gonna add the lipsticks in here. Look how cute that is. It's already getting filled up. And I'm gonna add a lipstick in here. So for this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the lipstick on the side. See, this one's already getting filled up. If I want, I can close it up and be done. How freaking cute is that? That's adorable. Okay, so I have these bracelets that I thought were so cute, and then you just snap them on the back. How cute is that? And I wanted some Valentine ones, but she didn't have any, so I thought these would be cute instead. Either way, you know, sometimes they don't have Valentine stuff. I picked up this hair claw. I thought that would be cute. So this one's supposed to go in here, but it's not gonna fit. Look at, guys. So we're not gonna add that. I am gonna add some hair masks, and these are gonna be for the older kids. I thought they would fit great in here since they're like, you know, real small. So these are shampoo and hair masks. That's cute. And then this one's done already. I think she'll like this one. Look how cute that is. She has her hair mask, her hair ties, her hair clips, and a lip gloss. Okay. This one I want to put this pink one in there. But then I think she will like the pink one more. So we're going to go ahead and put the pink one in here. And all I'm going to do is fold it and add it in here. That's cute. And then each of them are going to get one of these. I thought these were so cute. And then I'm going to try to add one in there because that one's more full because it has the hair thing. That fit perfectly. And then this one right here, I feel like it needs something else. So I'm going to go to my back room and see what I could get. I went to my back room and look what I found. They are heart shape hair clips. I thought this would be great for this one. Now I am going to take them off this. They're adorable. Now if you can go ahead and add some money. Look how cute these are. I'm going to add these and pull this up. And there you go. And then the clips. Oh, how cute are these? Look at their heart-shaped clips. This is just something little, nothing big. I don't want to like go overboard. And if you guys like, grab $5 bills or grab a couple dollars and then you can just close it up in there. Because a gift card's not going to fit. I had gift cards, but they're not going to fit. I can do that separately. Close it up. And there you go. How cute is this? You have a cute, adorable little Valentine's gift if you want to give someone. And then these little cute bags. You know what? I'm going to put her clip in the bag if it fits. Let me see if it fits. No, it's definitely not going to fit. No, well, it does fit. And there you go. See, you can even add, if you want, add another thing in there. You can add some tissue. I kind of like it clear because I want the little bear to be the star of the bag. What do you guys think? Are these adorable? Let me know what you guys think. If you're going to make a last minute gift, if you have to run to the store. I posted this. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because I posted these on Instagram as soon as they came out so you can get your hands on them. So don't tell me you can't get your hands on them, because I posted this that day that they appeared on Dollar Tree. And of course you can always run 5 little minutes and go to Dollar Tree and get them. I got a ton of them. I hope you guys did too. So what do you guys think? Last minute Valentine gift ideas for the nieces and nephews. I hope you like them. I hope you make your own. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. The giveaway is up. Go ahead and comment on here so I can add you to the giveaway. But the giveaway is already up. Go check out that video. And until next time, bye you guys. I hope you like the little bears.